If your homemade beetroot juice tastes a bit like dirt or rapidly separates into a strange watery sludge, you are not alone. Most people follow a logical but flawed process. They peel a raw beetroot, drop it into a blender with water, and hope for a fresh result. This method fails because it ignores natural chemical compounds called geosmins. These compounds are responsible for that heavy, earthy smell of damp soil. Professional juice makers do not use beetroot as a solo ingredient. Instead, they pair it with specific flavors to neutralize the geosmins and create a balanced profile. Once you learn to manage these compounds, the drink shifts from a difficult vegetable chore into a crisp, refreshing staple. To start, you will need a sharp knife, a blender, clean water, and a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Scrub the beetroot thoroughly. Because they grow underground, fine grit can remain trapped in the tiny crevices of the skin, even after a quick rinse. Deep cleaning the surface ensures that actual soil never enters the blender, protecting the hygiene and clarity of your base. Methodical. Peel the beetroot and cut it into small, uniform cubes. These smaller pieces break down more efficiently, which helps achieve a smoother texture with less strain on the blender. Place the beetroot cubes into a clear bowl of ice-cold water and let them soak for exactly 5 minutes. This soak is highly effective. The water draws out the harshest earthy notes from the cut surfaces. When the time is up, discard the soak water entirely. Now that the base is prepped, you must add a balancing ingredient to counteract the remaining intensity of the root. An apple provides natural sweetness, while half a cucumber adds freshness. For a brighter finish, use the juice of a lemon or orange. Combining this cold water extraction with a flavor balancer is what removes the muddy reputation of homemade beetroot juice. Add your soaked beetroot cubes and your chosen balancer to the blender, followed by 1 cup of cold water. Toss in 3 or 4 ice cubes before you start. Chilling the liquid during the mechanical blending process results in a crisper, more professional finish. Blend the mixture thoroughly. Stopping too early leaves behind fibrous sediment. A longer blend ensures the ingredients are fully integrated. Pour the mixture through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. Squeeze or press the pulp to extract every drop of vibrant, silky liquid. You can customize the final profile here. A small piece of fresh ginger adds heat, while a splash of orange juice adds another layer of flavor. Precise blending times and strict filtering are what elevate the juice from a homemade puree to a refined beverage. For a classic beginner recipe, use 2 beetroots, 1 apple, and 1 cup of water. For the Vitality recipe, blend 2 beetroots with 1 orange, half a lemon, and water for a sharp, refreshing profile. The carrot and ginger formulation uses 1 beetroot and 2 carrots, creating a drink that is naturally sweet and warm. If you prefer a tropical profile, combine 1 beetroot with a cup of pineapple chunks and half an orange. You can also choose your texture. Skipping the strainer gives you a high-fiber smoothie, while using it results in a sleek, filtered juice. Raw beetroot provides the freshest flavor, but if you find the taste too intense, lightly steaming the cubes first creates a sweeter, milder profile. These ratios and preparation methods allow you to adjust the drink to your specific taste. The final product should have a deep, ruby red color and a fresh, inviting aroma. When balanced correctly, the fruit sweetness masks the earthiness. To keep the juice fresh, store it in an airtight glass container in the refrigerator. This preserves the nutrient profile for up to 24 hours. Because natural particles will settle at the bottom over time, remember to give the jar a gentle shake before drinking. You can also freeze leftover juice in ice cube trays. These frozen portions are a quick way to add nutrients to your morning smoothies during the week. By following these specific extraction and balancing steps, you can recreate a high-quality juice bar experience in your own kitchen.